Since 28th of July, emergency helicopters have stopped landing at night at Hautepierre Hospital in Strasbourg. The reason? The presence of civilian drones at night in the helipad area. These drones, loaded with packages, are headed for the nearby Elsau prison. Cell phones, cigarettes and drugs are dropped there. In Strasbourg, as in all prisons across France, this delivery method is on the rise. From 9 p.m. to 6 a.m., helicopters are therefore redirected to a nearby hospital before patients are transferred by ambulance. This procedure comes at a cost. First and foremost, a human cost. An additional team must be mobilized. And in terms of time, caring for the patients takes an extra 30 to 40 minutes.
Qu'il puisse y avoir parmi eux ou parmi elles des patients pour lesquels finalement ce retard supplémentaire de 30-40 minutes fasse courir un risque soit vital, soit fonctionnel, soit une récupération prolongée, soit des soins plus lourds ou plus longs. Pas du tout l'exclure.
For the prefecture and health authorities, the challenge is to find a solution quickly. The possibility of landing on a football field near the hospital is being explored.